Alright, my foot is to the floor and there's no response yet. Really rough idle, no response from the accelerator pedal. Torque Pro shows VGT percentage at 85%. See if we can get this to go up here. There we go. Really rough idle. You really feel it shake. Probably see it shake in the video until about 2,000 RPMs. And everything starts to smooth out. VGT percentage goes down to about 45. There we go, back to rough again. No power and drive. Keeps on shaking. What I've done this thing so far today is I have retorqued the standpipes, checked my oil rails, checked for codes. Still nothing so far, so hopefully somebody has some idea.